Hello guys, and today I want to show you this Lego safe padlock. Locked. So, it needs a key to open the padlock. So, I just decided a little key from here to twist it up. And it clicks until you hear a very big click, then it's opened. You twist back until you hear a little click till it locks. Stupid key thing. I always have to brighten the key. I don't know why. So now I want to show you the medicine. You see that this bushing is clogged by that cheese slip, so it can't move. And then when the key comes in, it pushes in that thingy, I don't know what to say, so that this moves it until it's like this. So that is free, and you have to move it back again to the same place to lock it. Bye.